Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Canadian Traveler. As we've told you in previous videos, I'd say recent videos, but they haven't been that recent, travel is coming, or travel was coming, and now travel is upon us. If you've been following us, you know that we've planned a trip to the Philippines. Tickets bought as far back in, I believe it was November. Now it's July, and we're getting ready to go. And as you can see, hello. You can see, yes, you're in our bedroom, but clothes are being packed. This is generally where the clothes are, is in the bedroom. And lots of suitcases. And wait, where am I pointing? There we go. More clothes. Suitcase, carry-on bag, another suitcase. It's a lot of suitcases to pack because, well, it is a 6-week vacation. There is news about this, which we'll talk about later. But for now, this is what's happening. So stick around. We're going to head to the airport here very shortly, as I say, soon and shortly. Shortly, we're going to be heading to the Edmonton airport for a Air Canada flight to Vancouver. And from Vancouver, picking up Philippine Airlines flight to Manila. Wow! And there's another flight from Manila for the final leg, but for now, that's where we're at. That's today's flight. So stick around. Happy traveling.
One eternity later.
So this is a little bit later in the day. It's a little bit evening outside, and we were just getting ready to head to the airport. In fact, we got one of the suitcases right here by the door, ready to go. And just like I said, got a suitcase to the door, getting ready to head to the airport, and we got an email. Actually,
I got a text first.
we got a text message first. And the text message, what did it say?
I got text saying our flight was canceled.
We had a cancel flight from Edmonton to Vancouver. This was not Philippine Airlines, this was actually Air Canada. But because of it, it affected the entire journey. So as of right now, the entire flight is put on hold. The entire trip, I guess, not the entire flight, is put on hold. Is that better? The whole trip is put on hold by 24 hours. So we have to hope that Air Canada claims it was a mechanical issue with the plane. We'll see. Oh, I guess we can't see. We don't know. But it seems, from what I read, that seems to be a common issue with them, whether that's reality or not. But because of Air Canada, I'm not able to get on the next leg of the journey. We need them.
So everything changed.
Everything changed. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. We're still at home.
Waiting.
9:24. Should have been in Vancouver by now. There's just nothing we can do. I couldn't even drive to Vancouver because I need 13 hours to drive there. And we didn't have 13 hours available. Mm-hmm. So this is part of travel.
Last minute.
Literally last minute.
Very last minute.
The email, the text came at about 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock in the afternoon.
And the flight from Edmonton to Vancouver was at 7:30. So kind of right down to the last minute. We had some last minute running around we were going to do on the way to the airport. And that's why we were leaving at 3. Well, here we are. So stay tuned. Bye. Oh, don't forget to click the like and subscribe and all that other stuff. Bye-bye.